To a primetime news follow-up now. Investigators today secured a motor car that was reportedly driven by now-deceased Rudolph Shaw. Shaw, also known as Boxer, was shot and killed at a guest house in St. Andrew on Saturday. The police returned to the same premises Sunday with a record to remove the motor vehicle. Shaw was killed just days after he escaped from the Kingston Central Police lockup. Another man who was with Shaw was also killed in the operation, while a woman who was in their company is now in police custody. Now, Shaw was captured in the Cayman Islands in July after he fled the island during a manhunt for him. He was subsequently charged with 2 counts of murder, shooting, and illegal possession. He was the prime suspect in the shooting death of the mother of a policeman in Spanish Town more than 2 years ago. Members of the wildlife gang, which Shaw allegedly led, were reported to be behind the upsurge in violence in Spanish Town earlier this year, which forced the government to declare a state of public emergency in St. Catherine.